Court officer, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Court officer, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Hello?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು, ನೀನು ತಗೊಳಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ
ಮನೆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಟ್ವಾಲ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್, ಕೊಟ್ವಾಲ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಟ್ವಾಲ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ಕೊಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಆಗತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು? ನೋಡ
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್
ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. 10:30 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಕೊಟ್ಹಾಲ್ 2 ಮೆಮೋಸ್, ಕೊಟ್ಹಾಲ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣಪ್ಪ, ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಾವೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅವ್ರು ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೈ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಳಿಸಿ. 12 ಗಂಟೆಗಂತೂ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನನಗೆ ಇದೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಏನಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಆಗಿ ಅವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂದೆ ಅವೇ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ
10-5
ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಟ್ರೈನ್ 43 ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ 43 ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 10-10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋದು ಕರೆದ ಅಂತ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಹೌದು ನನ್ನ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ
ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿನೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಲಾವಣ್ಯ
ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್
ಏನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ
ಬಿಡ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂಥರ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೈ ಹೆಚ್ಚೋದು
ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್
ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು ಬೀಚ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಖಂಡಿತ. ಯಾರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಹಿಮೋಗ್ಲೋಬಿನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 11 ಇತ್ತು. 9 11
ಸಾಕು. ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ನಾನು ಊಟ ಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ ಥರ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Matter is going to be settled. May I request for tomorrow?
ಯಾವ್ದು ನಮ್
ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾಳೆನೆ ಅಪ್ನೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಯಾಕೆ
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
I will much.
ಅಲ್ಲ, if it is reconciliation, we'll list tomorrow. If it is dissolution, we'll list it after.
No, my lord, this dispute between daughter-in-law and mother-in-law, that husband is dead, my lord, they have settled.
Property dispute.
Please, much okay.
Second, portal number 2, all parted matters will be listed tomorrow. Other matters 1 week.
One humble submission, please. Portal number 2, list 1, serial number 2. Habeas corpus, please, my lords. There is urgency. It may be had on 15th, please, my lords.
15th, huh?
Please.
Or you can go with non-filing of status. SPP is not there. Then let it be tomorrow there only. Let him
No,
submit.
tomorrow there is personal inconvenience.
15th you want?
15th.
Yes.
My lords, court hall 2, serial number 5. My lords, kindly have it after vacations, my lords.
Urgency in the matter.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, see all parted matters tomorrow, other matters after 1 week. ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Serial number 19, court hold 2 matter.
Huh?
Kindly have it tomorrow, my lord. Serial number 19, court hold 2.
Why?
Posted for hearing on IA, my lord. So, what was passed in the year 2020?
My lord,
To go and move before that court only. We are asked 1 week, other matters, parted matters
Date may
tomorrow.
be fixed, my lord.
Here, habeas corpus we can understand.
Date
Madam.
may be fixed, my lords. Next week. Serial number 19, my lords. Court hold 2.
Wherever interim order is there, it will be extended as. ಅದೇ habeas
number 1.
ಅಲ್ಲ, file list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
230 matter.
All habeas corpus matters will be listed tomorrow. Then one, he wanted a particular date. Other than this, other habeas corpus matters will be listed tomorrow.
My lords,
Habeas corpus tomorrow, parted matters tomorrow, other matters after 1 week.
my lords, the
Yes.
amicus curiae was supposed to present their report today in COMAP 512 and 513. I'm visiting from US and live very far away.
They are amicus curiae or party?
I'm party in person. I'm the,
You are saying amicus curiae? Yes.
no, amicus curiae was engaged to do a report today by Court Hall 2. And the date has been set for today.
Which case that is?
COMAP 512 and 513.
Serial number can you
Serial
tell?
number 15 and 16, Your Honor. I'm visiting from US. I need to return. That is the urgency, Your Honor.
Right, what do you want?
I want the report to be presented today.
Who has to submit the report?
Amicus curiae.
Then tomorrow, 15, 16 tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Your Honor, I cannot come because I'm,
Tomorrow. You are staying back tomorrow or not?
no.
When is your return ticket?
Your Honor, I need to leave the city. I can come here as late today if
It's a
possible.
party, no, you have to bear with it. Tomorrow.
Your Honor, I have an appointment. I cannot come tomorrow, Your Honor. Please, if there's, basically the report needs to be presented. The report is ready.
We do not know who has to submit report. He is not here.
Advocate S. Srihari, the date was today. He's supposed to present it today, Your Honor.
He is not here, no. If he presents, he will present it in the registry, all right. He can present it in the registry also.
Madam, portal number 253 case number, madam.
Okay, Your Honor, may I have a date tomorrow morning first thing or high priority?
We said tomorrow, there cannot be any higher, low priority, all are equal. It will be listed tomorrow.
Madam,
Okay, Your Honor.
Madam.
Much obliged.
portal number 2, case number 53, madam.
15, 16.
15, 16.
Madam,
Tomorrow.
15, 16.
Madam.
Tomorrow.
portal number 2, case number 53. I'm party in person, madam.
Ah,
I'm affected person, so I should be heard, madam, tomorrow.
What is that, 53?
53, madam.
What is the urgency there?
Madam, actually, today, they already 3 times adjourned like this.
Correct, today
today there is no sitting, so they
Okay.
are asked to
Tomorrow
discuss
at least,
after.
tomorrow.
Probably all the matters, if they are listed together and other matters which are already scheduled tomorrow, there will be a crowd. So next week.
Next week, date, please give me date, madam.
Party one
Please-
person.
Please give me date, madam.
21/4. 21/4.
Interim order to be.
21.
Interim, if no, if interim orders there, it will be extended.
Quota number 2, madam. The both the parties is ready.
Both the parties,
Settlement maybe,
22,
maybe please tomorrow.
22.
Reports.
Ellar matter, how
Settle
it
the
can be
matter.
settled, government is also a party. Next week,
Pending matter.
Lord, please,
sorry.
kindly, my lord, maybe.
All right, they
tomorrow.
can settle in the next week also. What is the urgency? Yes,
He is
you are
already
not the
8
only
years.
party, other side is not there, government is
That's
also a party there. Yes, next.
Pending matter not filed applications in interim consideration.
Which case, which court?
This court.
Final hearing.
That pending.
Final hearing after
The filed
vacation.
application not for seeking interim custody not child.
24.
2020. No, no, after vacation.
13th not is going to abroad not so
Who is going abroad?
that respondent.
How she goes without the leave of the court? I mean, take the child without the leave of the court. Child was where?
With the mother and the
No, child was residing abroad earlier or
year.
then? Whether they have taken what? You didn't mention it earlier.
No.
Next week I'll have on date for place.
16. 16.
One matter for final hearing, it was listing earlier,
So which matter and which?
MFA, my lord.
MFA,
MEC case, MFA.
Yeah.
Again,
Which year?
my lord.
ಯಾವ year ಇದ್ದು?
ಇದು 2021, my lord.
ಹಾ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಫೈನಲ್
Claimant's
ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್,
appeal or arrest?
ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪೀಲ್
Why petition is dismissed?
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
But now vacation is approaching.
Kindly will take a chance.
Last
17th it may.
26th.
Court hall number 2,
Adjournment?
serial number 31, my lords. Kindly have it next week, my lords.
ನಾವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ next
ಅಲ್ಲ,
week.
interim order ಇದೆ.
But wherever interim orders are there, will extend ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, application ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು application.
Interim order is there or not there?
No, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, we have filed an application.
My lords, 10 minutes. My lords, court hall number 2, serial number 35, my lords. My lords, the date may be fixed for the 16th or the 17th, my lords, but in fact move the matter.
What is the matter?
My lords, we've challenged an order of the CRIAT which has allowed the, which has dismissed my appeal, my lords.
Rare appeal.
Please, my lords, it's a RERA appeal. My lords, there's some urgency in the matter because the complainant before the RERA is creating some ruckus at the apartment complex, my lords, which is why we had filed this appeal and moved the matter for today.
ನೀವು moved by advocate for the appeal. ಆಯ್ತು,
A date may be fixed for the 16th or the 17th, my lords.
17.
Grateful. 17/4. Grateful.
Adjournments. List 1, page 1, seal number 1 to 4. Page 2, seal number 5 to 9.
Comply in 2 weeks, my lord.
Recalling.
Recalling the application.
Serial number 7, my lord.
CD application ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, copy to the 3 objections series.
Already there is a dismissal. You only have moved it.
I have moved, my lord, but I was
Without
unaware that,
complying.
I'm sorry, my lord, office objection raised, my lord, that has not been noticed by my colleague, my lord. I requested,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಬೇಡ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I'll come.
See, you first allow the dismissal of the appeal, then you file an application, you don't even comply the objections on that.
No, hardly, there is a delay of 5-6 days, my lord. I'll comply office objection.
Because finally 1 week time is granted to do the needful, failing which I 1 of 2025 shall stand dismissed. Yes. 8. Here for the appellant.
Earlier and filed appeal not admitted.
No, R1, non-filing of authorized copies. Other side copies are ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು? Early hearing filed by the comply ಮಾಡದೇನೆ early hearing application ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Without complying the office objections. I'm doing the full. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, one of ಸರಿ. Early hearing application is filed under IO. I have 1 of 25. Therefore, the same is rejected. 2 weeks time is granted to do the needful. Yes.
Page 3, seal number 10 to 12. Page 4, seal number 13. Page 5, seal number 14 to 19. Page 6, seal number 20 to 23. Page 7, seal number 24 to 29. Page 8, seal number 30 to 37. Page 9, seal number 38 to 41. Page 10, seal number 42 to 49. Page 11, seal number 50. Page 12.
Yeah, you wait, we'll call the matter.
Page 12, seal number 51. Page 13, seal number 52 to 56. Page 14, seal number 57. Page 15, seal number 58 to 62.
Lordship, appearing for the respondent in this matter,
Which case?
serial number 60, my lord. Don't have the judgment copy of the MC matter, my lord.
You are appearing for the respondent.
Respondent, my lord. I seek
It's
for short
a court
accommodation.
moved matter. Who
Please,
has
my
moved
lord.
it?
Without our knowledge, they have moved.
Right, but they have moved, now the matter is listed,
Please,
we'll
ma'am.
not,
Except appeal memo, we
we'll
don't.
adjourn it in their presence, not.
Please.
Serial number 60.
Hmm. Serial number?
60. I am representing the petitioner.
So she was representing just now, you didn't mention.
Ah, okay.
You have moved it, she is seeking adjournment, what is
Okay.
it? No, what do you say, she is seeking adjournment?
No, I am for the petitioner. I moved the file because my client is in Mangalore. He is actually native of Somwarpet. He is now working in Mangalore, retired army officer. He wants the matter to be taken up because all these days it was not taken up, and he is asking me when the High Court will dispose of. So I had no answer. I said there are other cases, but still.
Tell him 2014-15 matter, sir,
Yeah,
he is
yeah.
retired, he is
Sure,
not in
sure,
service.
sure.
So it has to come in the order of its seniority.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Now counsel for the respondent seeks adjournment. Authorized counsel submits that the matter is of 2023, it may be heard earlier. But the final hearing iruttane already more since matters which are older than this matter is pending, the appeal shall be listed in the order of seniority. Yes. Yes.
Page 16, seal number 63 and 64.
Yes,
List number 2 for matters referred to Lok Adalat. Seal number 1 to 12.
1 to 12. So all matters can be referred. Matters referred to law.
List number 1, fraud, seal number 1. Mithun GA.
Submission. Serial number, quotal number 2. Item number 22 matter may kindly be called after tomorrow.
See, we have listed all the parted matters tomorrow. Other matters after 1 week.
Other matters.
Wherever interim
because
order is there, that will be extended.
no, that is been has to be referred to mediation for settlement. Item 22. That's why.
Whether that is settled before the mediation.
Yes, settled between the parties.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. 22.
ಇದು serial list. Serial number 22.
22. WA. Writ appeal 935/2.
No, it is for still setting aside the abatement.
Setting that application has to be allowed and formal application.
Where is the reference to the mediation center order here?
No. I'm making submission to refer it.
Correct. Mediation is referred or
No, it has to be referred. The parties now,
correct.
we have come to the conclusion.
The government is also a party. How it can be referred to the mediation? They have challenged some government order or not?
Challenge some earlier order, but the
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Land records matter.
ನಿಮ್ಮ colleague move ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ. Have you paid 2 court fee for this?
No.
How many persons can be here per day?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? I'm sorry. I'm not aware of it.
Next week. Fraud, seal number 1, Mithun GA, B Ravindra.
For the appellant, your lordship.
Respondent.
Your Lordship, the memo is ready. There are some discrepancies which Sir has pointed out. We will rectify it and a date may be posted, Your Lordship. And the DD will also be
Next week
placed.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? You rectify it and submit it today.
Your Lordship, Sir has also told us that second may be the date fixed as part of it.
Terms, there is discrepancy in the terms or
Please, Your
just
Lordship.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್
drafting,
ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
drafting ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
So both of you agree that they are
Yeah, yeah.
disposed of. You can correct it and file it in the afternoon.
Date may also be fixed, Your Lordship. I mean, Sir has also told
What is the
second,
problem to correct that and
Some
file it in the
discussions.
afternoon?
June 2nd, Your Lordship. Final opportunity and we shall place everything on record, Your Lordship.
ಸರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಅಂತ 19/2/2025 ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 4 ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Lordship, we are also ready, Your Lordship. One final date may be fixed, Your Lordship.
This little
I mean, the party is also here, Lordship. He is also getting the DD as well.
what is the problem to file it in the afternoon? ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂನು?
In that,
ಒಂದು we will not do the needful. How much work it costs for us?
apologies, Your Lordship.
If it is only a drafting problem, you go and get it drafted and submit it in the afternoon.
ಡಿಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇಟ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಡಿಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Lordship,
ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದೆ.
ಈಗ ಅದು ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ವಂತ?
the party is here, Lordship. He is coming, he is on.
ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರ ಡಿಡಿನ?
He is getting it, Your Lordship. I mean,
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ.
please, Your
Show
Lordship.
us the deed.
We'll inform the party too. Please, may be passed over.
Law counsel for the appellant seeks adjournment on the ground of settlement. The matter is being postponed since 19/2025.
Respondent
Only on the
present
ground of
for the
settlement. Respondent and her counsel are present. Time granted on payment of cost of rupees 5,000 payable to the High Court Legal Service Authority. List on?
June 2nd.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Please,
High
please.
Court Legal Service Committee.
26.
Please.
Seal number 2, Prabhugaud Tambagi, Ravi S. Sampati.
This matter I appear for the appellant.
Owner of the vehicle. Respond number 2.
R2, Bimalesh Panda.
Please read. Notice published. Respond number 2, called out absent. Service on respondent 2 is held sufficient. ಏನಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ನೆಸೆಸರಿನಾ? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ TCS ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್
petition is dismissed.
ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ TCS list after the receipt of TCS.
Seal number 3, Nizam Abbas.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ 2022ರಿಂದ ಇರೋದು. And then a memo is only for dispensation, right? Limitation. Subjection notice. No, admit ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Where is the appeal? ಬರೀ cross subsection ಇದೆ. Connected appeal ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. MFA 48 ಅದ್ರ MFA ಜೊತೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
No representation for the cross objector. List along with MFA number 4821 of 2018 after 2 weeks.
Seal number 4, Rajaram S, H.S. Dingraj, B.R. Venkatesh Kamath.
Hearing for third respondent. I am the appellant, my lord.
Kindly, matter may be referred to roll Lok Adalat.
File ma'am for dispensation for respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2 both.
Yes, my lord.
R1 was R1 before the tribunal. R2 is owner of the lorry. Driver and owner.
Yes, ma'am.
Driver and owner.
Respondent number 3 shall deposit it. Now counsel for the appellant submits memo for dispensation of notice to respondent 1 and 2. That is the driver and owner of offending lorry. The records show that liability to pay compensation is fastened against respondent number 3, the insurer under the included award. Therefore, notice to respondent 1 and 2 is dispensed with as paid for. As requested, matter referred to Lok Adalat.
Lok Adalat.
Delay.
8 days delay, my lord.
Did not mention 1 of 2020. 8 days delay.
8 days.
Matter referred to Lok Adalat. Accepting the reasons assigned to explain the delay. Delay of case in filing the appeal is condoned in the interest of justice. I1 of was not accordingly. As requested, matter referred to Lok Adalat.
Seal number 5, R. Shashidhara.
Magma HDI General Insurance Company, served unrepresented. Not B. Pradeep filed appeal on behalf of insurance company.
Against the same award.
Please.
Notice to
MFA 48/22.
Yes. R1 had contested before that.
Please.
Somebody has appeared. R1 and 2
Please,
have
my
not
lord.
filed statement of
Contested,
objection.
please.
Appear
Lord,
ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
time being, my lord, the
Statement of
dispensation,
objection ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Lord, dispensation memo may be time being deferred, my lord.
Deferred.
Please,
They have filed the
please, they are challenging the quantum or liability.
that respondent number 2 has challenged the same award in MFA number so and so.
48/22.
Both the matters together after 2 weeks. In the
Trial-
meantime, comply the officer.
Trial court's records.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
Seal number 6, P. Natraju.
Appeal for the appellant, my lord.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ officer should be complied in the meantime ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Regarding first submission, my lord, in the judgment portion of the trial court, my lord, the amount has been shown as wrong, my lord. In decree has shown correct, my lord.
Judgment and award along with judgment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, award ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ award ಅಲ್ಲಿ correct ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They are shown correctly, my lord. In page number
83 lakhs 57.
page number 39, my lord.
Operative portion ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lord.
Page number 39.
39, my lord. In decree copy, my lord.
Minus to 44 lakhs 1,240.
39, my lord. 84 lakh 2,512, my lord. Page number 39.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 44 lakhs 1,240. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
No, my lord. In 39, my lord. Page number 39. The claimant has claimed the amount of rupees 84 lakh 2,512, my lord. But in operative portion, my lord, shows as 83 lakh, my lord.
ಅದು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. There is no difference, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 83 lakhs 57,000 ಅಂತ.
Please, my lord.
84 lakhs.
And regarding second office objection, my lord, notice has been not received, my lord. At the time of the filing, my lord, the petitioner has.
You can list it with along with
Yes,
MFA.
ma'am.
ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. 101. But note below cost title with regard to date of service.
Yes.
Accepting the council submission, office objection regarding the discrepancy in the claim amount in judgment and award is overruled. Okay. ಯಾವ MFA ಅದು?
Lord, MFA number 5116 of 2022, my lord.
The second office objections. It is necessary to look into the records of MFA number 5116 of 2022. Let's note the matters together after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Seal number 7 and 8 adjourned. Seal number 9, Guru Prasanna, yes.
A2 ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
The last date of hearing, the lordship had directed me to file a copy of the FIR and the petition. This is
Correct
regarding
date of
the
accident.
objection, with respect to the date of the accident. So along with my memo, I have submitted a copy of the FIR petition and the Mahajar and also the charge sheet. Your lordship permission may I take?
Just wait. Assert and correct date of accident, appellant's counsel shall furnish. What was the office objection? The correct date of accident is various ways to be stated. Date of accident differs in the trial court judgment. Counsel to clarify. In FIR, date of incident is shown as
Along with my memo, I have-
21/3/2018.
Please, 21/3/2018, page number 9 of the memo that I have filed.
Right.
And then I have also produced the charge sheet, my lord, at page number 13.
Here,
Column number 70.
21/3/2018, 3:30 PM.
Please,
Both same.
please, madam. Now in
What has
the
happened in the award?
award, only one,
22/3/2018.
please, my lord. Ink page number 25,
That is the only objection.
2 times there is a
Correct,
mistake.
that is the only
That is the
objection,
only
office objection.
Yes, ma'am. That is the only.
The FIR and charge sheet produced by the learned counsel for the appellant show that the date of accident was 21/3/2018 at 3:30 PM. 3:30, no?
3:30 PM, yes, my lord.
But we are concerned only with date, no?
Please.
Date of accident is 21/3/2018. Accepting the counsel submission, office objection in that regard as overruled.
Please. There is a IA number 1.
49 days to be.
Notice may kindly be issued on IA number 1. 49 days delay in filing the appeal, madam.
How is it? Tokia General Insurance Company. IFCO Tokia or Tokia?
Tokia General Insurance Company.
We have not heard this name.
Please.
Private
Tokia insurance company. Private insurance company.
Then we'll
I'll take out notice
Regional
on the
Manager Tokia. Somebody has appeared there, EMC ML and both. Issue notice to response 1.
Respondent number 2 and 3 and 4 are my father-in-law and mother-in-law. the deceased parents,
They were claimants before the.
they were also made respondents for some reason before the trial court.
Issue notice to response.
Respondent number 1 and 2 and dispense with notice to 3 and 4, my lord.
We don't dispense with the parents-in-law. Let them know what is going on.
Please, please,
3 and 4.
please.
23-6. Number 10, P. Suresh.
ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 15 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ 15 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ no representation for the appellant list along with MFA number 6309 of 2023 after 2 weeks.
Still number 11, YK Sheshgiri Rao.
I appear for the cross subject.
With very cross subsections. Date of service we list it along with the
Yes,
appeal
madam.
so that we'll come to know.
The order sheet I have.
Correct, we'll list it along with the main appeal.
Yes, madam.
Appeal is pending.
And filed within 30 days from the date of admission of MFA 4685/2020.
Alright, that's why let it be listed.
Yes, madam. There is already an order in 4685/24.
Along with MFA number 4685/2024 into bracket ME adella hakadu. Any date is given in the other matter?
Eh,
Whether in the MFA any date is given?
No, no date.
After 2 weeks.
Still number 12, Parameshwarappa C.
Notice 601 days. Right? Back then. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಹಿಂದೆ 24 ಇನ್ನೂವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ T3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು no representation for the appellant. 2 weeks time is granted to do the info.
Still number 13, Srinivas S. Devati, Shivaprasad Shantan Gowda, PhD.
Make any submission. We have filed in a memo for retirement lordships. Maybe taken on record and delete mine.
Your Honor, I have filed a memo under order 27 rule 6 of CPC.
See, they cannot be considered. Now, party in person committee has submitted its report saying that you have to engage an advocate or you have to avail the legal service authorities. Last time we said that is reconsidered. So we asked them to furnish us the report. They have furnished the report.
I've already, spoken to the registrar judicial. I have gone there second time. And they have confirmed that I can file the memo and move the memos here. That only after their confirmation I am here, Your Honor. Your Honor, the Honorable Court had given directions to the respondent to issue the consent letter.
See, Mr. Party in person, there is a report. We also doubted whether you have the capacity to conduct the case independently, personally. Now there is a report rejecting your C form.
I want to.
Unless we cannot hear you at all because there is a report that you are not competent to conduct the case.
Your Honor, I have filed a written statement for erroneously issued or changed report
Whether
of
you
the
are
party
going
in
to
person
engage
committee.
an advocate, then we can hear you. Otherwise, we'll dismiss the appeal.
Your Honor, I have filed a written statement
What
to
are
the
you getting?
attention of, for the kind attention of the Honorable Chief Justice. And the
right.
written statement is about 10 pages. It has about 14 documents attached. And this is a copy for your record I have got here.
You cannot, that's what you are not aware of the procedure, that's we said. You cannot pass something like this across the table. You do not know the court rules. If, see, tell us whether you are going to engage an advocate, we'll grant you some time. Otherwise, we'll dismiss it.
Your Honor, I want to move this memo under order 27 rule
Can't
6
move
of
it
CPC. I
unless-
cannot move it. Okay, I will engage an advocate and let kindly be adjourned for next week.
As per the report of report, the report of the registry shows that the 13% committee found the appellant
I also have to say
conducting his
that
case. Therefore, C form issued in the other report of the registrar regarding some lapses in the registry it is taken on record. Because the report of the registrar with the explanation of the consent, even first the report of the registrar judicial with the explanation observations of the court is taken on record. They shall be vigilant in the matters henceforth. Number 2, you remember correct? The report of 14% committee shows that appellant is held to be incapable of conducting the case in person. Appellant seeks time to engage the counsel.
Name of the issue process ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು.
Even first with retirement. But who represents now? ASC office ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ notice ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
They have to issue a notice to other.
Your term is completed.
Yes, Lordships, we are communicating.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು whether along with your memo you have produced that.
Lordships, we only filed a memo for retirement, that's all. We are not yet received that letter stating that which this case we
Please
moved to.
submit that, then we'll relieve you. Submit that.
The
Athwa
CS
your term, whatever your term, your appointment letter is there, you produce that, then
that has been, tenure has been finished, Lordship.
you produce a copy of the letter so that
Next
we
day.
can accept it.
Next date will.
Shri Shivaprasad, on behalf of Shri Shivaprasad Chandan Gaud, learned ASG, na?
My senior was ASG, Lordships, I am representing on behalf of the person.
Time is sought to produce the copy of his appointment letter. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. List after 2 weeks. This special order ಎಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬರೋದು.
You know, if I may make just
Date ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. So date is
reference to, I want to just take.
When do you engage the counsel?
Well, I'll be able to know after I speak with them.
No, you want us to give a date because you are party in person, we have to fix a date.
Yes, please give a date.
When do you want it? When do you do that?
22nd.
22nd. 22/6.
22nd of
22/4.
22/4.
22/4. Seal number 14, L. Shrikant Rao.
That's okay.
Bhojraj.
For R3.
I appear for Bhojraj.
R3 is
Village policy.
he was respond number 2 before that.
1 into.
Owner of the vehicle.
Owner.
His LR was brought on record before the tribunal.
ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Owner dead.
ಅವ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಯಾರು ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
I have taken steps to R3.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್?
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸರ್ದಾರ್ son of late ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು.
Paper publication regarding the service of notice.
Sardar.
On respondent number
3.
3 is taken on record. The notice is, it's found that notice is duly published. The same is held sufficient. Respondent number 2, respondent number 3 is called out absent. ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ the deceased was sitting on the engine of the tractor. ನಮ್ಮ
vehicle involved is a tractor trailer. It was carrying goods, that is stones. So even if where he sits is not material for the purpose of insurance, because an employee in a goods vehicle carried is required to be covered.
But that
Pay and recovery agatte.
policy covered the risk of that
Employees
Whether
cover
policy
because it is a goods vehicle.
A policy, whether policy states that
Yes, it is a goods vehicle.
after
It is covered by a division bench judgment.
Because it's covered by our larger bench judgment.
appellant,
No, larger bench judgment.
that
ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ.
the liability of the insurer is in question, appellant insurer is in question. ಇದ್ರಾಗ records ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? Therefore, I3 of 24, therefore consideration of I3 of 24 is deferred for time being. Okay, list all date.
The pay and recovery it is covered by
TCRs are there anyway.
ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಜೂನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9/6.
Cell number 15, Pradeep KC.
Objections is concerned, my lord. Page number 12 of the trial court judgment.
Page number 12 of trial court judgment.
You applied for the certificate
Page
copy.
number- just
Even on the trial court records, it is like that only.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 12, 13. Oh, 13 is
ಹೌದು.
twice they have given page number 13.
But online ಅಲ್ಲಿ correct ಆಗಿ upload ಆಗಿದೆ.
Online ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Upload ಇದೆ. But ಅಲ್ಲಿ trial court records ಅಲ್ಲಿ same ಇದೆ.
ಏನು ನಂತರ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಹೇಗೆ? ಪೇಜ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 26, 27 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 26, 27 ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್, ಇವನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Same is repeated. Same, section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act, section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act.
But it is correctly showing in order online upload ಇದೆ.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 28, 29 ಅದೇ that is printed twice. Okay. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ಹೋಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. 30. How does this gets corrected automatically? Automatically ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ
Please, ma'am. Mistake is happened at the trial court.
It will not be automatically. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಪೇಜ್ 13 is repeated.
When on the trial court file, madam, page number 13 is printed 26.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಾನು rectify ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಕೊಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್?
Challenge section 13 petition.
Petition is allowed. No, your petition is dismissed before that. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. Request 2 weeks time is granted to comply the office objections. ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ. If they have corrected in their record, you produce the corrected copy.
Already once a requisition was given, madam, they have issued the same copy.
Same copy. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನೀವು either whatever you are giving is then incorrect. Some paragraphs are missing there.
Please,
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
please, I will do that. Okay.
Cell number 16, KT Gurudev Prasad, B Pradeep.
R1 is the owner.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. This owner dispensation.
There is no dispute with regard to the liability.
They are not contested. This is 3936. Somebody has appeared. But only respond number 2 filed the statement. Now consultant applicant submits memo for dispensation of notice to respondent number 1. Record show that respondent number 1 had not contested the matter before the tribunal. Under the impugned award, the liability to pay compensation is fastened against respondent number 2, the insurer. Therefore, notice to respondent number 1 is dispensed as paid for. ಯಾರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
43 days delay.
3 days delay. Case of
Case of injuries.
Badasan number 1 of 2024. Accepting the explanation for the delay of how many days? 42 days. 43 days in filing the appeal is condoned in the interest of justice. I 1 of 2024 is disposed of accordingly. Records
Record.
admit call for receipts. List of the respective PCS.
My lord, appearing for appellant, please, my lord. Records have to come, my lord. TCRs have to come. Records have to come.
Records are received.
A date may be fixed for hearing, my lord. Final hearing only. Matter is admitted.
After 2 weeks, 2025.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
Yes.
Seal number 18, N. Gautam Raghunath.
My lords, I appear for the appellant. My lords, in this matter, necessary steps has to be taken, my lord. I request your lordship to grant at least 2 days of time to comply with the same.
Request 2 weeks time is granted to the
Interim order, my kindly.
Seal number 19, Halim Amin.
I prayed for setting aside the judgment. I have one compliance, Lord. I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe posted on 16th or 17th, Lord. There is an IA for stay, 16th or 17th. I'll do it tomorrow.
You are not included certain party here.
Yes, Lord. The driver of KSRTC bus.
Huh.
I'll do it, Lord, tomorrow itself. Maybe posted on 16th or 17th.
The appellant submits that she is going to comply the office obstructions within 1 week.
Tomorrow itself I'll do 16th or 17th. Maybe date may be given. IA is there. They'll go for execution.
Next hearing date. List all
22-4.
Obliged.
Hearing on IA, seal number 20, Usha SM, Geeta Raj Faratu.
I filed application including delete respondent number 3.
The name of respondent number 3?
He has not contested the matter.
Sure. Was his rank before the tribunal? Respondent something. Who is respondent number 3?
Respondent number 3 is a driver. Man.
Driver.
Not contested the matter in trial court. And it has been deleted in the decree. Man.
It's not deleted in the
decree. It has been deleted.
Sought a deletion in the trial court itself?
He has not contested in the matter.
There are two things, madam. One is he has not contested or he was not a party. What are you saying now? Whether he was not a party or he had not contested?
Because
the party had not contested, he seek dispensation.
And
R3 serve ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Please be A2 only. Substitute service is irrespect of R1. Then IA1 dispose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now consider for the consider the order SLI number 1 and 2 of 2025. I1 of 2025 is filed to delete the name of respondent number 3 on the ground that his name was deleted from the area of one of 25. However, in the judgment, satisfied that